Well, that stinks. Look who it is. Prime Incorporated, too, on the side of the truck. My sister-in-law works for Prime as a truck driver. But do you think that they'll have any issues cleaning that up? Just bring a whole bunch of sailors in and all that beer can be gone real fast. That's a lot of beer. It gets you wondering, what was the driver drinking? Hmm. Not a lot of talking in the video itself. It just shows you how backed up traffic is, and traffic's not that bad, I guess. But that's quite a scene, isn't it? Tell me what you think, and I pass it along to a friend.